north with rail transportation, a critical lifeline for pioneers living in harsh conditions. Quorn was a vital railway junction, especially during World War II, when military, coal and other traffic placed sizable demands on the railway. At its peak, Quorn saw several thousand trains a year. Although the advent of better roads and a new railway west of Quorn in 1956 meant the end of regular trains through the Pichi Richi Pass, admiration of the steam locomotive prevails and draws people back to Quorn. The Pichi Richi Railway Preservation Society was formed in 1973 following the efforts of a group of dedicated enthusiasts. What began as a dream to save the bridges and dry stone walls from demolition led to preservation and the creation of a premier tourist attraction in the region. 100% volunteer workforce of guides, researchers, track workers, drivers, engineers and administrators keeps the history alive, preserving the past for the future. Thousands of visitors ride on the Pichi Richi Railway every year, experiencing a journey back in time.